For affiliate marketers, there is nothing more important and more challenging than performance. But getting there means finding the best platforms and programs for your niche and goals. In a fast-changing industry, it can be difficult to know which way to go, whether beginner or advanced. So we've returned with our annual roundup of the best affiliate programs that we recommend you check out. Take a look at the list of great affiliate programs where you can achieve your best conversions and maximize your income potential in 2022. If you want to get connected with truly worthwhile and profit potential brands, then check out GiddyUp. GiddyUp is all about partner marketing, which is their approach to creating performance-based partnerships. Great results for brands and for you. They are totally focused on quality, so you've got to be a super serious affiliate to get accepted and start benefiting. If you fit the bill, we definitely recommend giving it a try. If you're looking for a high-quality affiliate network to work with, you won't go wrong with DFO Global. You get access to a wide range of e-commerce products on a closed, safe, and brand-protected environment, with high-covering offers and high payouts as a reward. For serious affiliate marketers who want a program that's worth investing their time and effort, then DFO Global, with top-notch data analytics and responsive managers at your disposal, is the way to go. For affiliate marketing beginners, Amazon is a great platform to kick off your new venture. The vast Amazon marketplace takes care of most of the sales process, warming up your leads for you. Your job is to bring new clients from external traffic sources to the Amazon site. There are millions of products you can pitch, with new ones being added every day. WittaTrade is an affiliate e-commerce and lead generation platform with a wide range of owned and direct top-converting offers with global coverage. What's awesome about WittaTrade is their unique, highly converting and original pre-landers. They look fantastic and work even better, so you can look forward to great results with this affiliate program. With 6 million digital products in over 20 categories, reaching 200 million people worldwide, ClickBank is a popular choice among affiliate marketers. What's more, this program offers very high commissions, as high as 75%, and ClickBank is known for its regular reliable payouts, which is a huge drawcard. There are plenty of products sold on a recurring basis, which means a great source of recurring income for you, as well as products with upsell options to help boost your income. Here's a great way to tap into the enormous affiliate potential of the eBay market. Advertise eBay products on social media, your blog or website, and get commission from every product sold via your link. Adara is an award-winning and industry-disrupting RMM and PSA platform encompassing a broad ecosystem of solutions for professionals of all kinds. The recently launched Adara Nexus program for affiliates offers competitive payouts, with up to $1,300 per conversion, one of the highest in the industry. Looking for exclusive deals and offers in less traveled geos? Then look no further than M4Trix Network. It's a full-service affiliate network that's global, but also takes profitability to places it has not been before, including non-saturated markets where you can outperform yourself. CJ Affiliate is a great program for more experienced marketers, with 300 brands, including many of the world's top brands. The program boasts 43% year-on-year growth in commissions, so it's an attractive option. However, you need a good amount of traffic to get accepted, and there are strict conditions for staying on as a publisher. The sophisticated toolbox may take some getting used to, but has great features for more advanced affiliate marketers. Affiliates is a top choice for marketers who want to access a whole lot of verticals. This translates to a wide variety of products and offers, so you get to choose and focus where you can get the best results. Plus, if accepted to the program, you have access to your very own affiliate manager to help you optimize your traffic and create a unique bonus program to max your earning potential. Top it off with an easy-to-use platform. It's a favorite for global affiliate marketers. Algo Affiliates is a leading performance marketing affiliate network. They offer more than 1,500 multilingual offers across the hottest and most lucrative niches, including home improvement, insurance, finance, dating, Nutra, loans, real estate, e-commerce, education, surveys, travel, coupons, banking, CBD, and more. With such a wide range of verticals at your fingertips, plus outstanding funnel tracking and optimization, and stellar customer support, there's no reason not to give it a try. ShareASale is one of the largest affiliate networks out there, running for nearly 2 decades, so it's built up a lot of trust in the affiliate industry. The network is well loved by marketers and merchants because of its user-friendly interface, fast free sign-up, and support for affiliates running multiple websites. Fiverr bills itself as the world's largest digital services marketplace. With over 11 million users in 190 countries, Fiverr has a generous commission plan with CPA of up to $150. Plus, there's no referral limit and you get lifetime attribution. Another nice benefit of the Fiverr Affiliates program is their user-friendly dashboard, as well as the portfolio of creative resources that you can use to promote Fiverr, so some of the heavy lifting is done for you already. No two affiliate marketers are the same, and neither are affiliate programs. Depending on your audience, niche, and personality, there are different affiliate networks that may be better suited to you. The affiliate programs featured here cover a range of possibilities, from beginner affiliate marketers to advanced, but they are just the tip of the affiliate iceberg. Start here as you warm up for your affiliate marketing journey.